Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to make breakfast with only two ingredients, the eggs and the hash browns already pre-cut and pre-cooked. This is potatoes, green pepper and red pepper and bacon. Going to be very delicious. This is olive oil. Just a tiny bit. Not too much. Just a little bit of olive oil. Usually, even if you don't use oil, they will just pop up. It's not a big deal. So our tray is done. So this is it. Now, I'm going to break my eggs all the time. So I have 11 eggs. This is what we are going to use. Heavy breakfast. It's like brunch. I'm doing brunch, no lunch. My black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. Good enough. Then a little bit of salt. That's enough. That's it. So now, we're gonna start with our hash browns. Everything tastes good with bacon. They are mixed with bacon. And they're already pre-cooked, so it doesn't take long, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I'll say 15 minutes. Should be okay. I already preheated my oven at 375. Shouldn't take long. That's good. Now it's time to add our eggs. Time to add eggs. Maybe I didn't have it. Sugar but no eggs. That's all I have. I have no eggs left. This thing is very deep. This is it. This is it. Let's clean it a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Let me open my oven. It's already preheated. So we put it in the oven. That's it. So we'll wait for it to cook. Our cooking is done now. Let me take it out of the oven. Oh. Wow. Very hot. Very, very hot. We are going to take them out. Take them out one by one. Just look at it. You can serve your guests and treat yourself. Look how beautiful, guys. This is restaurant style. I'm ready for it. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye. I'm ready. Ready for breakfast.